I done got hot. Man, I shake a mean tambourine. Tonight. All right. We are the live band, the sounds of live music, and we are here to rock your feet and groove you in your seat. So, listen, I want y'all to do me a favor, though. I need a favor from y'all. I need y'all to drink plenty. Because, see, the more y'all drink, the better we sound. Okay? So listen here, ladies and gentlemen, without no doubt, these ain't the JBs, but this is live music.
All right. Come on, Laiv. Hey, y'all.
We like to take y'all back a little bit every once now and then, you know, have a little bit of fun. Some of these tunes I call it the Lost 45. You know,